Every exceptional story has three fundamental elements. First, a visionary. Secondly, an impeccable setting. And finally, all the very best stories have flair. We begin our story in timeless New York City. The St. Regis awaits as the luminaires are welcomed with exquisite experiences. At the bar, they indulge in the handcrafted comforts, with the Bloody Mary as their drink of choice, a cocktail perfected by one of our very own, which led us on a journey of curating immersive experiences for our guests. Elevated offerings are inspired by the story of Manhattan's 5 historic boroughs. Lower Manhattan, the birthplace of New York City's vibrant bootlegging culture, where we set the stage for what's to come. Midtown, bustling streets, blaring horns with the St. Regis at the heart of the city, landmarks forever instilled, cocktails with legacy. Upper Manhattan, a paramount center for only the most affluent, while the arts and culture puts its stamp on Harlem. East Side, the melting pot of New York and an immigrant safe haven to some. Beside the East River, Brooklyn can be seen in the distance. West Side, a place of stories, tales of yesterday. The choruses from Broadway ring through the streets. Today, we evoke the vibrant heritage of New York through our bespoke cocktails with local infusions. As day fades into night, the colors of the city begin to show. We celebrate with a singular experience to elevate the everyday to the extraordinary. The Violet Hour, a daily evening ritual at the St. Regis Bar, where the perfect martini is thrown from 10 to 10. We take the modern tastemakers on a sensory journey, allowing for the refined taste from a glass curated for the experience. Now immerse in these intriguing experiences framed by the grandeur of the House of Astor. Welcome to the St. Regis Bar.